How to change your name on Facebook. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Facebook application on your device and then tap on the three lines on the top left of your screen. Here, tap on the settings and privacy drop down you see there and then tap on the settings option there. Further, go ahead and tap on the account center option and here you will see the option for profiles and personal details. Tap on it. Here, tap on your profile name whose name you want to change and here you will see the option for name. So tap on the name option and then go ahead and make any required changes that you want and make sure that if you change your name you cannot change it again for 60 days. So do not add any unusual capitalization, punctuation, characters, or random words. Now tap on the review change option you see there at the bottom and then tap on the save changes option. And with this, your name on Facebook will be changed. So this was about how you can change your name on Facebook. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.